add water to a container, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of pasta. Cook this for 10 minutes and stir it for every 2 minutes. Now pasta is cooked, strain it out from hot water and transfer it to cool water. And strain it out. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, 5 to 6 cashews. Roast this for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of milk, half cup of water, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 cup of sugar, one cup of grated coconut. Close the lid and boil this for 5 minutes. Then add cooked pasta. Stir it for 2 to 5 minutes. And switch off the gas. Now the dish is ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.